Employee Training, Customer Account Management. Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Here, we will cover the essentials for managing customer accounts on a daily basis, putting a sale on a customer tab, recording money given by a customer, and consulting useful information. Let's start with the most common situation. From the sales screen, take the order as usual. Once the items are selected, you have two ways to put the sale on a customer account. Either tap Validate, then Customer Account, or use the shortcut with the small user icon at the bottom of the screen. Both options do exactly the same thing. The shortcut is simply faster. The customer list appears. Select the customer concerned, then Validate. The sale is recorded and automatically added to the customer's account. Another common situation. A customer comes to give money, either to repay what they owe or to bring their account back to a positive balance. Open the left menu, then go to Customer Accounts. In the list, press and hold on the customer to open their file. Tap Customer Gives Money, enter the amount, then Validate. The balance is updated immediately. For an employee, this is the only financial action available. Manual balance correction is reserved for the manager. Depending on the configuration of the business, some additional options may be available. For example, if customer creation is allowed, a button with a user icon and a green plus appears in the customer accounts list. You can then create a new customer file. When creating a customer, a name is enough. All other information is optional: photo, birthday, or notes. If a birthday is entered, a notification may appear on that day. The overdraft can be managed automatically or manually, depending on the settings chosen by the manager. When creating a customer, an option called Create a Debt may appear. It is only used to transfer an existing tab, for example, from a paper notebook. Once the customer is created, this option is no longer available. On an existing customer file, you can consult the history. The History button shows all money in and money out. This is useful in case of doubt or a dispute with a customer. The Sales Details button allows you to go further and see exactly which orders are involved. Customer accounts use a simple color code. Green, the balance is 0 or positive. Yellow, the customer is entering overdraft. Orange, about half of the authorized overdraft is reached. Red, the authorized overdraft is exceeded. Finally, depending on the permissions granted, it may be possible to block or unblock a customer or modify certain information. If these options do not appear, it simply means they are not authorized. The key points to remember are simple. You can put sales on a customer account, record money given by a customer, and consult the necessary information. All other functions depend on the settings chosen by your manager.